So these are the custom printed circuit boards I made up for our cruise coming up pretty shortly. You can see a gift from the Reese family, and they've got some LEDs and resistors here. It's got our cruise on it, stuff like that. I'll go ahead and turn one on here so you can see the eyes wig-wag back and forth, going through different iterations. One's brighter than the others. But yeah, that is what we are going to give away on the cruise in our fish extenders. You can see there's a little switch there to turn them on and off, little battery, and that's what they look like.